Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Ani. So, today we are going to do a yearly reading for Gemini for the year 2026. This is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. Okay, so in this reading, we will see the overall energy, then the obstacles, challenges, guidance, and the probable outcome, covering your career, finances, health, relationship area. Okay, so this is a general reading. As I said, please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. So let's see what do the cards have. At the end, we will also take a guiding message for you, Gemini, so please do stay till the end. So let's start. What do we have for Gemini for 2026? What's the overall energy we have for Gemini for 2026? Please tell me what's the overall energy we have for Gemini for 2026. Overall energy for Gemini for 2026. Overall energy for Gemini for 2026. Okay. Wow. So many cards are falling. It's the overall energy. Alright. Okay. Now let's see. This card is coming again and again. We'll take it off. Alright, let's see what are the challenges we have for Gemini for 2026. Challenges for Gemini. What are the challenges we have for Gemini for 2026? Okay, please clarify Knight of Pentacles as the challenges for Gemini. Please clarify Knight of Pentacles. Okay, one more please. Please clarify Knight of Pentacles as a challenge for Gemini. What is happening, my dear? Please clarify Knight of Pentacles as the challenge for Gemini. Okay. Please clarify Knight of Pentacles as the challenge. Alright. Now please, wow. Are you dealing with so much? I know you are frustrated somewhere. You're tired of waiting energies, but okay, let's see what is the guiding message we have for you, Gemini, for 2026. Messages for Gemini, guiding message for Gemini for 2026. What's the guiding message we have for Gemini for 2026? Okay, please clarify the High Priestess. Alright, please clarify the High Priestess. Please clarify the High Priestess. What's the guiding message for Gemini? This card came before also, so wants to come. Alright, let's see what's the outcome we have for Gemini. Oh wow, what is happening? What's the outcome we have? What is this, Gemini? What are you dealing with? One more please. One more please. So let's just clarify to the Death card. There's the outcome. Clarified. Okay. Alright. So bottom of the energy we have the Two of Cups. Okay. So bottom of the energy is basically the energies you are energies you are dealing with subconsciously or dealing recently. Okay. So I see that you are, if you are already in a connection, you already have a person or a partner, then that is somewhere makes you feel a soulmate kind of connection. Okay, if you are single, then you are waiting for this kind of energy come in your life. Okay, and you are somewhere waiting for that, that warmth, that love connection in your life. Okay, which will make you feel like, you know uh, someone who is there, basically the soulmate, the one who supports, the one who understands, the one who cares, right? So that is also I am getting here for you, Gemini. All right. Okay, now understanding the energies for 2026, I see that you are focused towards stability. You are focusing towards stability. You are focusing towards long-term stability when it comes to your finances, when it comes to your relationship, when it comes to your health. You are focusing on how you can, get that what you are looking for. Okay, but at the same time, something is stuck here. You are stuck. Maybe the past experiences, if you had any, and it is somewhere not letting you to move on from whatever happened. Now what I'm seeing here is for you, Gemini, ki आप focused हो for your future, for your growth, but deep down something is stuck. You are not able to move on. It can be a connection, it can be a financial loss you had experienced, it can be um, a heartbreak, if you have gone through any heartbreak. So something is stopping you and you are stuck in some kind of energy because of that. Okay, so you need to move on. You need to release whatever has happened. You need to just take that lesson and move on. ओके अगर आप उसी एनर्जी में अटके रहोगे ना, तो आप मूव ऑन नहीं कर पाओगे. इवन इफ यू वांट टू टेक दैट एक्शन ऑफ योर स्टेबिलिटी इन योर फॉर योर फ्यूचर, फॉर योर ग्रोथ, बट आप अगर उसी एनर्जी में रहोगे ना, उसी फ्रीक्वेंसी में रहोगे, तो आप मूव ऑन नहीं करोगे, तो आपकी ग्रोथ में भी प्रॉब्लम आएगी. राइट, इट विल बी स्लो. राइट, सो उस तरह की एनर्जी है. सो ट्राई टू ओवरकम वट एवर हैज हैपेंड, फोकस ऑन द लेसन एंड मूव ऑन. रिलीज वट एवर नीड्स टू go, just release it. All right, because that is what the message is. I am seeing the other cards also, and that is why I am saying you need to release so that you can move on. Okay, in your life, be it your finances, be it your relationship, आपके health से related कुछ है जो आपको maybe you are addicted to some kind of thing, unhealthy habit, not working out or having unhealthy eating habits, or anything which is not good for your health. If you are addicted to some kind of thing, so you need to you need to you need to have that strength. You need to be strong enough to release all that which is not good for you. All right, that is also I'm getting for you, because the obstacle here is things are very slow. As I said, move on. अगर आप अटके रहोगे ना चीजों में, तो चीजें बहुत धीरे मूव होंगी और वो उतनी फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग होती जाएगी आपके लिए. All right, so because the things are moving very slow here, I am seeing there is, even when it comes to your finances, अगर आप किसी तरह के promotion, increment, recognition, bonus, rewards का wait कर रहे हो, you are just in that waiting energy, and that is why also I am getting that stuck energy, right? So that things are not as per you. It's like how long it will take to for me to get what I deserve, right? Maybe a promotion, maybe a recognition. Okay, so it's like there is slow movement, very slow. For some of you it can be the things are just not moving. Okay, उस तरह की energy भी दिख रही है, which might become frustrating for you at an emotional level. Okay, आप मेहनत करते जा रहे हो, आप काम करते जा रहे हो, बट आपको लग रहा है कि अब बस ये वाला प्रोजेक्ट हो जाएगा, then I'll get the reward. ये वाला हो जाएगा, then I'll get the recognition. ये वाला हो जाएगा, I may get the promotion. but वो हो नहीं रहा है, and that is making you frustrated. That is making you feel tired emotionally, physically, mentally, in all the ways. And it's somewhere impacting your mental and physical health also, along with the emotional health. All right, because you deserve growth. Because you deserve growth, you know what you bring to the table, and you are expecting the recognition for that, rewards for that, which is not wrong. But things are moving very slowly, and it will somewhere it's like testing your patience. Okay, उस तरह की energy है. Also for some of you, I see that you are आप जो भी efforts डालते हो, it's not unseen. Okay, people are seeing it, people know what you bring to the table, but somewhere the rewards are getting delayed, and you are tired, and you need to also come out of your comfort zone. Maybe for some of you, comfort zone is just talking about what you want. Okay, कि आप बात नहीं कर रहे हो, आप शेयर नहीं कर रहे हो, आप एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर रहे हो what is bothering you, what is troubling you, and it's becoming more frustrating day by day. Okay, so you need to come out of your comfort zone, you need to take stand for yourself. For some of you it can also be coming out of your comfort zone, maybe to change your job also. All right, that is also I am getting here for you. For some of you, if you are planning to conceive and you are just waiting for the results, so वो होता है ना कि पेशेंस का टेस्ट हो रहा है यहाँ पे, तो उस तरह की एनर्जी भी मुझे दिख रही है. सो यू नीड टू मे बी आपको अपने हेल्थ पे थोड़ा सा ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत है, आपको अपनी ईटिंग हैबिट सुधारने की ज़रूरत है, आपको थोड़ा एक्सरसाइज करने की ज़रूरत है when it comes to your health also. Because अगर आप mentally drained रहोगे, आप mentally and emotionally आप happy feel नहीं करोगे, you won't feel good within yourself and for yourself, your body will not be happy. You can sense it, right, in your body. If you're not happy, you will feel fatigue, you will feel like पूरे दिन बैठे रहने का काम मन नहीं करेगा, किसी काम करने का, पूरे दिन बैठे रहो, किसी से मिलना नहीं है, उस तरह की एनर्जी हो जाएगी. So you need to be happy, you need to do things what make you happy. It can be आपको अगर if you love for you to step out, maybe आप सोलो ट्रिप पे जा सकते हो, आपको पसंद है तो आप कहीं शॉपिंग करने चले जाओ, go for a spa, go for your day out. Maybe a small vacation if you want, if you have not gone for a vacation for a long time. So do things what makes you happy is basically I'm trying to say. All right, so just do things what makes you happy, come out of your comfort zone. And coming out of comfort zone itself is a challenge, because कभी कभी हम उस अटकी हुई एनर्जी में, उस स्टक एनर्जी में इतना कंफर्टेबल हो जाते हैं कि वी आर समवेयर लाइक कि ठीक है जैसे चल रहा है चलने दो, राइट. नो, बट यू हैव टू चेंज दैट. ऑलराइट, टू change your frequency, you have to change that. Okay, because the guidance here is to heal yourself. Again, this card is coming, you need to focus on healing yourself, you need to focus on doing things what makes you happy. It's a confirmation, right? So you need to, again as I said, थोड़ा सा आपको हो सकता है मेडिटेशन करने की जरूरत है. It's coming for you again. जो भी अगर आप थोड़ा सा अपने आप पे ध्यान दोगे ना, अपनी हेल्थ पे ध्यान दोगे, अपने लिए अपनी चीजें करने पे, अपने आप को खुश करने में ध्यान दोगे, सो यू विल स्टार्ट फीलिंग बेटर एंड यू विल स्टार्ट हीलिंग. ओके, जो भी एनर्जी है, मे बी पास्ट ट्रॉमा, हार्ट ब्रेक इश्यूज, ट्रस्ट इश्यूज, फाइनेंस से रिलेटेड कुछ था जिसकी वजह से जिसकी वजह से आप you are feeling insecure about your finances. So it's okay, just focus on your lesson and move on. Okay, heal yourself. जो भी आपका wound है उसको आप heal करो, थोड़ा टाइम दो. बिकॉज जो भी confusion है ना, वो धीरे धीरे, जो भी struggle है, जो भी obstacles है, जो भी confusions है, जो भी challenges है, वो धीरे धीरे निकल जाएंगे. ओके, वो सब sort out हो जाएंगे. All the confusions will be cleared and you will ultimately see the shining sun, right? The what do you say, a bright day ahead. Okay, so उस तरह की एनर्जी है. But for all that you have to focus on healing yourself. You need to come out of your comfort zone, do things what makes you happy and heal yourself. Listen to your intuition. आपके मूड स्विंग्स हो रहे हैं तो उसको आप बैलेंस करिए, थोड़ा सा ना अपने आप को हाइड्रेट करिए, ड्रिंक लॉट ऑफ वाटर एंड ट्राई टू कीप योर सेल्फ हाइड्रेटेड. हो सके तो आप थोड़ा सा गो टू द प्लेसेस, थोड़ा बीच वाली प्लेसेस पे भी आप जा सकते हो, थोड़ा सा जहाँ पे आपको यू विल फील कनेक्टेड टू द नेचर. बेसिकली आप थोड़ा सा ग्राउंडिंग कर सकते हो, स्पेंड टाइम विद प्लांट्स. ओके, आप थोड़ा सा मेडिटेशन करना है तो आप, अगर आपके घर में कोई गार्डन है छोटा सा, या यू हैव प्लांट्स इन योर होम, तो आप ट्राई करिए कि आप ऐसी जगह पे बैठ के मेडिटेशन करो जहाँ पे यू कैन गेट द फ्रेश एयर और यू हैव प्लांट्स अराउंड. ओके, उस तरह की एनर्जी भी दिख रही है. सो जस्ट ट्राई टू फोकस ऑन हीलिंग योर सेल्फ, डू थिंग्स व्हाट मेक यू फील गुड. बिकॉज कभी कभी कुछ चीज नई शुरू होने के लिए कुछ चीज का एंड होना जरूरी होता है, राइट? सो दैट इज ऑल्सो आई एम गेटिंग हियर, समथिंग नीड्स टू एंड, समथिंग इज कमिंग टू एन एंड फॉर यू जेमिनी. ओके, एंडिंग इज नॉट ईजी, एंडिंग इज नॉट सो ईजी टू डील विद. इट्स अ पेनफुल थिंग, बट यू नीड टू कीप इन माइंड कि कैटरपिलर को बटरफ्लाई बनने के लिए बहुत टफ प्रोसेस से डील करना पड़ता है, राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाट एनर्जी इज. ओके, सो जो भी ऑब्स्टिकल है, ओके, जो भी प्रॉब्लम है वो सब सॉर्ट आउट हो जाएगी. बट थोड़ा सा it can be end of a toxic cycle, it can be end of a job and starting a new job, it can be releasing an old habit of yours and starting something new which is good for you. It can be, as I said, कुछ आप किसी चीज से आप unhealthy habit, unhealthy diet, unhealthy exercise, unhealthy routine अगर आपका है, तो आपको उन सब चीजों को एंड करके कुछ नया स्टार्ट करना है विच इज फॉर योर गुड, एंड यू कैन डू इट. ओके, everything is in your hand. If you want, you can definitely do it. You can set yourself free from all the obstacles, from all the challenges on your way, if you really want to do it. Okay, I see that there will be a lot of maturity you will be getting during the year. Okay, जो भी situation है ना, आप बहुत maturity जो भी challenges आएगा आप उसको deal करने के बाद you will have another level of maturity, emotional maturity. आप चीज़ों को बहुत maturity के साथ देखोगे, maturity के साथ handle करोगे. अगर आप even if you are going with your own issues, you will handle the things with so much of care, decency, authority, leadership, and that क्या बोलते हैं, समझदारी के साथ और बहुत धीरज के साथ आप चीज़ों को हैंडल करोगे. दैट इज ऑल्सो आई एम गेटिंग फॉर यू. बट आई सी दैट फॉर यू समथिंग नीड्स टू एंड सो दैट समथिंग न्यू कैन स्टार्ट. एंडिंग इज नॉट ईजी टू डील विद, बट यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड एंड इज ऑल्सो अ न्यू बिगिनिंग. ओके, सो समथिंग needs to end so that something new can start. And for you, I see that you need to come out of your stuck energy, you need to come out of your comfort zone, you need to heal yourself emotionally, mentally, physically, so that you can move on. I see that for some of you there can be little bit of headaches during the year. You might feel because of overthinking, stress, anxiety. You may have a bit of back pain. That will be because of excess work pressure. It can be because of you're not taking proper rest also, I am getting for you. So you need to take care of your health. You need to focus on self love, self healing wala energy. Okay, so that is the message I'm here for. I'm getting for you, Gemini. Now let's see what is the guiding message we have for you. Okay, just focus on coming out of stuck energy, and things will be things will be good. Things will help you to move on happily. The cards are falling. Okay. Now we have two cards, so let's take two cards. Guardian angel, you are not alone, as I said. So जो भी obstacle है ना, आप उससे बहुत easily overcome कर लोगे अगर आप चाहो तो. Okay, so you have to focus that you are not alone. You are always supported by your guardian angels, your ancestors, your what do we say, spirit guides. Okay, so you are always supported by them, and you also have your fire guardian. Ignite your passion. As I said, you need to come out of your comfort zone. Okay, आप stuck energy में रहोगे तो आप चीज़ों को passionately नहीं कर पाओगे, right? So you need to work on things you are passionate about. Okay, you are not alone, you are supported, you are guarded, you are protected. Just start working on things you are passionate about. Start working with passion on your things you want to work on, maybe your work life, love life, finances, health, anything. Okay, so just be passionate and have that fiery energy in you, okay, during the year. So that's the energy I have for you, Gemini. Please claim the positive energy from this reading. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.